To add pages within a page on Squarespace, you can create subpages or use anchor links to create a smooth navigation experience. Here's how. Create subpages. You can organize content under one main page by creating subpages. Go to your Squarespace website and navigate to the Pages section in the main menu. Choose the main page where you want to add subpages. Click the plus button to add the folder to your page. Inside the folder, click the plus button again to create subpages. Drag and drop subpages within the folder as needed. These subpages will appear as links within the folder on your main page's navigation. Use anchor links. If you want to add internal navigation within a single page, edit the page and add contact blocks like text, images or buttons. To create anchor links, highlight the text or button where you want the link, then click the link button. In the link settings, type hashtag followed by an ID name. Scroll to the section you want to link to, and edit the block settings to add the same ID name. When users click on that link, it will scroll down to the relevant section of the page.